3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be doing another small repair on the Sambar truck behind me. You can see I have it idling now. Let me shut her down so that I can show you what the issue we are going to be tackling today is. As you can see, I still have my South Carolina plates, and ooh, what's that? I see some drippings. If you had smell-o-vision, you'd be able to smell the oil coming off of that heat shield manifold, but my distributor O-ring is leaking. So this, I don't want to touch it, obviously going to be very hot. The valve cover gasket completely dry, and then that bit of oil, which is leaking all over the place and making a great smell, is coming from the distributor. So what we will be doing is changing the O-ring with one of these, a generic O-ring I bought at Autozone for $6.32 for all of these. And now I will start to take the distributor off. So again, this bolt here, can you see it around my hand? There's a bolt back there. There's a bolt right here. That one I know you can see. You can see the place where they're attached to is slotted. That allows you to rotate the distributor, advancing your timing or retarding the timing. You do not want to get this part wrong. So right before I loosen the bolts, I'm going to clean that area right there, and I'm going to make some markings, or I might do it on top, whichever. Where do we go? I might do it right there just because it's a little easier to see. But I'm going to make some markings so that when I put the distributor back on, I can put it on in the exact same space. Now, sorry, same place. That is the O-ring that came out of the truck. Here are the three closest ones. That's the reject pile. If it was a different color rubber or a different thin or thickness, I got rid of it. I think this one is a little too small. This one seems a little too big. Man, this one seems to be more or less perfect. So here, I'll show you. This is the old one. This is the new one. The new one's definitely softer. It's about the same thickness. So yeah, let's see how this one gets the job done. Okay. I hope this camera angle works. I just put the distributor cap on, filled her up with oil, and I actually advanced the timing a little bit, and I kind of did it by guessing because, again, I don't have my timing light. There will be a video of that. I just want to show you, though, how well it starts up now. So check this out. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. Running really nice. I'll do a quick little walk around. I obviously don't live in South Carolina anymore. Look at it, the rims really came out clean. But let me just wrap up this video saying, so yes, in the video I showed that generic O-ring set that I got from AutoZone. It worked. One of those O-rings definitely did work. Okay, good. Here. And I'll even show it to you live on camera. So boom, there you go. And let's see here. How can I... Well, listen. it used to be wet before, and now it's completely dry. My engine cover, I kind of just wiped down with oil, but there you go, a non-leaking, well-running Subaru Sambar. I think that makes for a pretty decent video overall, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned, because I will put in that transmission fluid, and when my timing light comes here, I am gonna do the timing, and I'm gonna get it perfect so I have all the horsepower I can eke out of this engine. So right on. Thank you, everyone, and bye-bye.